In this video, we are going to know about introduction to digital system, where we are using digital systems, examples of digital system, and difference between analog and digital system. First of all, what is digital system? A digital system is an interconnection of digital modules and it is a system that manipulate discrete elements of information that represented internally into the binary form. Big explanation, na? So, in simple language, see this. What is this is doing? This is digital modules, okay, let, and it is converting discrete element into what? 0-1 form. Binary form is 0-1 form, and our computer understand only 0-1. That's why the digital modules convert it. What is discrete element? Digits from 0 to 9. And what? Alphabets. All the 26 alphabets and many more things, etc. It is converting, digital module is converting discrete elements into what? Binary form, like human readable into computer readable. What we are reading? Like we can read a digital system is an interconnection. This human computer can read a, but a computer can't read a. Understand? We have to convert this into 0-1 form. After that, the computer can understand. For example, when we are writing 2, then this 2 can be written read by computer. This is the computer. Can a computer can read this 2? The answer is no. The computer only understand 0-1. For example, when we are converting 2 into 0-1 form, like 8421, we will go through this also. Like when we are converting 2 into 0-1 form, then only a computer can understand this. Computer can